Hello everyone, today we're gonna have the second talk of KYVE network and incentivized testnet. In the previous video we covered community tasks and engineering tasks. If you missed the video, I'll leave a link to the video in the description down below. So today we're gonna have a talk about content tasks. So content tasks have 4 different tasks: create video tutorial, create video introduction, create KYVE memes, create explanatory content. So let's explain what every task exactly means. Video tutorial means you need to introduce the testnet to the users. You need to show how to interact with the application with the testnet. You can also show how a user can set up a node, how they can delegate, how they can fund, how they can receive tokens from faucet, and other information related to the test. You can create maximum 2 videos and earn 1050 points per each video. So in total you can receive 3000 points for creating video tutorial. The next one is create video introduction. This means you need to explain to the audience what KYVE exactly is, what is built for, what its purpose. You can also cover KYVE bakers, KYVE partnership, any other data, any other information you think is valuable to introduce the project to your audience. Also, you can create maximum 2 video introduction, and every one can bring you 1500 points. The next one is create KYVE memes. You can make a picture, you can make a GIF or a video that must be funny and about KYVE network. You can create maximum up to 5 memes with 150 points reward per 1 meme. The next one is create explanatory content. You can explain KYVE tokenomics, you can explain KYVE technology, you can explain KYVE fundraising process, and you can do this not only in video format, but also you can create Medium article, Twitter thread, Bitcoin thread, or any other content in other social media. So every content can reward you with 500 points. Alright, here is my content tasks. I already have 2 accepted video introduction, 4 of 5 memes, and 1 memes is still pending. Note that all content tasks will be manually reviewed, and this may take up to 72 hours. Also keep in mind that all content tasks will be manually reviewed. Usually it takes up to 72 hours, but in some cases it may take a bit longer. So in case your task is pending a bit over than 72 hours, no need to panic. Your task will be reviewed for sure. Just you need to wait a little bit. The most important thing, you need to create content of great quality. So meme must be funny. Video tutorial must explain people something. Introduction means you need to introduce something about the project to your audience. So let's go to tasks and check others people content to see what is really good content, what is bad. You can go and check accepted content, and here we see all the content accepted by mods. Let's check it out. So create funny meme. We can go and check a meme. Alright, yeah, you see this is a picture which is funny, and the user got its reward. Also note that you always need to put your korellia address along with your content. Only this way your task will be accepted. Yeah, so this is accepted funny meme. Let's go and check one more. And this is the meme with user address, and the user got its reward. Let's go and check what is not a good meme. for example. So here we see a meme posted here, but admin decided that it's not funny enough. That means the content has bad quality. We can go and check more memes. So you need firstly check the declined and accepted means, trying to understand what the good quality content. After doing some kind of this research, you can create your own content. Okay, let's check one more. Yeah, it's kind of bad quality meme and it was declined. Let's check what kind of video introduction you do not need to create. And yeah, we can see there is something with a scale. Yeah, and this video introduction has been declined. Let's check one more. Yeah, it's kind of not a video introduction at all. It's kind of meme, but posted in video introduction section, so it was declined. And so on. So by doing this, you can understand what content needed. Alright, so this is quite important. You need to understand what exactly needed to the section you want to create content for. So memes must be funny, of course. It must have great quality with wallet address in the description. Only then it would be accepted. The same with video tutorial. Good quality tutorial along with your wallet address. As admin posted in Discord, 30% of participants do not include their wallet into their content submission. In this case, your content would be automatically declined. After submission is created, just go here and submit your tutorial, meme or introduction. There are also badges that some user may get if they match the requirements. So this is all about the video. If you have some questions about KYVE network, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.